I'm gonna do this in 3 phases. The first one, just a normal model photo shoot. The second one will be playing a little bit with lights, and the third one will be with an UV light. So during those phases, I'm gonna explain what I am doing, what we are doing. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very happy because I am with 2 beautiful girls. They have also their Instagram on the description. So Mariana and Elisa. Finally, we are doing a video. What we are going to do today, it's a photo shoot. Yeah, it's some quick tips. So let's do this.
Yes.
So what happened here? She has her best angle. A good strategy to check that is just ask the model on your vision angle, okay? Just to rotate really slow. And like that, you can check which part of her face will be more proportional. So. Symmetrical. No face is perfectly symmetrical, so you just make a small rotation to know. We have my camera connected via Wi-Fi with the tablet, and we can check it immediately on the Canon app. And we can check what is happening immediately when we took the shot. Okay? So. Está fixe. Eu tenho bastante. Sim.
Wow. So beautiful.
We're gonna try to do a photo straight on where she's looking directly into the camera. To straight on, what she's gonna do is just advance a little bit your face, advance a little bit, and hold a fish, a big fish. And again, the fish is very, very heavy, you have to hold it like that, okay? And not do this, do this, okay? And to help her focus, I'm gonna ask her to just close her eyes, breathe, and when she's ready, she's gonna just look at me, okay? Okay, breathe, breathe, breathe. Isso, tenta mostrar isso mais.
Tem isso deste.
So what I did here, I gave her a mission to try to correct the flowers. While she was doing that, she had a really photogenic look. So give her a job, especially if the model is not an experienced model. We're gonna just take a look of what happened.
Ja, na session desenvolvemos.
Vais fazer um bocadinho mais de volta para mim. Isso. Vais virar só um pouco mais para mim e fazer assim. Isso, isso. We're gonna use the LED light, the Pixel G1S of this light. I already made a review of this light, and what we're gonna do is actually use the HSI mode, so we can do a specific color, and we're gonna put it behind her, exactly behind her, so it will make a degree of green just behind her. Go between the 2 of them, okay? So it will spill a little bit of green in her, but we hopefully won't get that much. And my objective is try to have the light behind her head. So as it's a small light, it will be awesome. Another thing that I'm gonna do is reduce the power out of the flash. So I will be forced to open a little bit the shutter speed and the ISO, so the ambient light will gain more in the picture. I am changing a little bit. I was in f2.8, I'm closing down to f4, so it will change how the light of the flash will be. And my shutter speed is way slower, and the ISO it's a little bit slower than I put in 100. We're gonna make a light test and see what we get. little bit better. The greens is coming out a little bit more, and just close a little bit more the aperture. And yeah, the green is getting in, as you can see, but I need more power on that flash. Oops, deixa eu voltar. As the girls is getting ready to the phase 2, so some retouches on the makeup, etc. I'm going to show you what is the second idea, is use color lights. So I have here the light that you already knew in SLI mode. So as you can see, it's casting a very strong blue color. As you can see my face now, it's a little bit blue. And I have another light here with no gel or nothing. If I turn on, there we go, you can see that we have a paradox of light depending on the position and stuff. We're gonna play a little bit with that, okay? I shut down this. We have this Christmas things that you can play a little bit. And those things are really awesome because you can use it in the foreground to get some color, okay? That blue light needs to be a little bit higher to make a cool effect. You can put it on the background to make a bokeh effect to contrast the blue.
Fica caramba!
Are you close to sound? Yes. We are at the phase 3. What we have now is that we have a color LED on her back, on a pink color, that it's the color that he has most on her makeup. She's adding a little bit on her hair as well. And what you see on the ground is the UV light. So technically the humans cannot see the UV light. The cool thing is that if you break the UV light, it will glow. That's the main point of that makeup. And as you can see, also her top, it's absorbing a little bit of the UV light and reflecting. Now we have a really cheap plastic lens on the other side just to show up a little bit her skin tones. As you can see, I am using a monopod. The monopod is from the tripod, the KNF Concept tripod. Check out the review of that one if you want to see it. Yeah, let's start shooting. Não tô pegando já tô. Isso. Vou pra mim então. Isso. Tá muito fixe. And so we are done with the photo shoot. We enjoyed a little bit the afternoon, didn't we?
Yes.
Yes.
So, as Mariana is removing the makeup from Elise is already checking the tablet and selecting the photos that she likes with adding some stars directly on the Canon app. That is awesome. What I want to discuss with you also is collaboration. So this is a collaboration between 3 of us. Me as a photographer, Mariana as a makeup and assistant, and of course, and Elisa as a model. Usually you have 3 reasons to do that. 1, to learn, as we are today. 2, to share a little bit the audience between my account and their account, so everybody knows the existence of the other people that is working around. So if you want to check out the work from these 2 girls, there is some Instagram links, so you can check them out on Instagram. And qual era a terceira delas? Eu me esqueci. So, and I don't remember the third reason. So, yeah, this situation here, there is no exchange of money. So, we are actually, she's working as a makeup artist for free, she's working as a model for free, I am working as a photographer for free. In some situations, it's positive, like this one. There is no commercial value on these pictures and will never be. Maybe if there is, I have to contact with them or them had to contact with the other parts of this group. But as a principle, there is no commercial use. It's just to learn, to get experience, or just have a good time. Drop a like if you learned something, comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. I'm Miguel.
Bye!
See ya!